Hello students, in the previous video, we find the solution of the equation by systematic method and transposition method. Today, we are going to solve word problem with the help of equation. So now, let us solve it. Solve the following. Sum number 1. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? Students, we have learned to solve word problem with the help of equations. Recall the following steps which are helpful in finding the solutions of word problem. Read the statement carefully and note down what is given and what is required. Point 2. Represent the unknown by some letters. Say A, B, X, Y, Z, etc. Point number 3. Translate the statements of the problem into mathematical statement. Point number 4. Express the problem in the form of an equation. Point number 5. Solve the equation for the unknown. And point number 6. Check whether the solution thus obtained satisfies the given conditions in the problem. So now, let us solve sum number 1. Students, in this question, we have to find out the lowest score. Let lowest marks equals to x. Highest marks equals to 2x plus 7 as highest marks obtained by student in her class is twice, that is double the lowest marks plus 7. Therefore, according to question, 2x plus 7 equals to 87. Now, let us find the solution of the equation. Now, let us solve this equation by transposition method. Thus, transposing 7 from left hand side to right hand side, we get 2x equals to 87 minus 7. Now, subtracting 7 from 87, we get 2x equals to 80. Now, let us transpose 2 from left hand side to right hand side by changing its sign from multiplication to division. Thus, transposing 2 from left hand side to right hand side, we get x equals to 80 by 2. Now, dividing 80 by 2, we get x equals to 40. Thus, lowest score is 40 marks. Now, sum number 2. Sachin scored twice as many as Rahul. Together, their runs fell too short of a double century. That is 198 runs scored by Sachin and Rahul together. How many runs did each one score? Let Rahul scored x runs. Sachin scored 2x runs. According to question, x plus 2x equals to 200 minus 2. Now, let's add x and 2x and subtract 2 from 200. Thus, adding x and 2x and subtracting 2 from 200, we get 3x equals to 198. Now, let us transpose 3 from left hand side to right hand side by changing its sign from multiplication to division. Thus, transposing 3 from LHS to RHS, we get x equals to 198 by 3. Now, dividing 198 by 3, we get x equals to 66. Thus, Rahul scored 66 runs and Sachin scored 132 runs. As of Sachin is twice than that of Rahul. Step number 3. Lakshmi's father age is 49 years. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age? Let's solve this sum. Let Lakshmi's age equals to x years. Lakshmi's father age equals to 49 years. According to question, 3x plus 4 equals to 49. As father age is 4 years more than the 3 times of Lakshmi's age. Now, let us find the solution of 3x plus 4 equals to 49. Let us first of all transpose 4 from left hand side to right hand side by changing its sign from addition to subtraction. Thus, transposing 4 from LHS to RHS by changing its sign from addition to subtraction, we get 3x equals to 49 minus 4. Now, subtracting 4 from 49, we get 3x equals to 45. Now, let us transpose 3 from left hand side to right hand side by changing its sign from multiplication to division. Thus, transposing 3 from LHS to RHS by changing its sign from multiplication to division, we get x equals to 45 by 3. Now, dividing 45 by 3, we get x equals to 50. Thus, Lakshmi's age is 15 years.